Hello, future leaders. I am President Tofade, President of Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Congratulations on your acceptance to the ACPHS Future of Healthcare Workshop. You are part of an exclusive group of high achievers selected to attend this special event on our college campus. Your acceptance to the event is a testament to your commitment to academics as well as your dedication and potential. I am thrilled to invite you to our vibrant, close-knit campus for a day of learning, networking, and fun. You will engage with our academic experts. You'll have opportunities to collaborate with peers, and you'll explore careers in healthcare, pharmacy, and health sciences. Together, we will explore how to build a healthier world. Congratulations on this achievement. I look forward to your visit to Albany College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences in just a few weeks.